Hello everyone, what's up? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how to install the InSpy, the latest Kali Linux tool on your Kali Linux 2070.2 and Kali Linux 2070.3 machine. So without talking too much, let's get started. So what is InSpy? InSpy is a small but useful utility that performs enumeration on LinkedIn and can find people based on job title, company or email addresses. So now let's see how to install it on your Kali Linux machine. All first open up a terminal. Then just simply you need to type a command to install it. First type apt update to get update of your Kali Linux packages. Then type this and apt-y install InSpy. Now this command is going to update your Kali Linux packages and install InSpy tool on your Kali Linux machine. Then hit enter. You can see here it started. It depends on your internet connection speed. So just wait. Okay. After some time you can see here the InSpy tool is successfully installed on your Kali Linux machine. Unpacking is done. To run that tool, just simply type here InSpy and hit enter. Here is the InSpy tool. You can use this tool to gather information from LinkedIn. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Thanks for your watching.